Farming with nature aligns with so many of our needs, and we can all do our part. Whether you're a consumer or a farmer, be observant. Learn to recognize, foster, and promote 4 principles that support habitat and ultimately connectivity. 1. Plants cover the soil as much as possible. 2. Flowers are present. 3. Trees and shrubs are seen. And 4. Wildlife, from bees and birds to larger animals, are there. So let me break this down to what it means. Number 1, fields are either covered in crops or cover crops, and pastures in plant diversity. That provides erosion control, provides habitat, and supports the continual building of carbon in soils as plants grow and die, and that helps keep the planet cool. 2. Strips of flowers are present on the edges of and interspersed within crop fields and also in pastures. They provide food for pollinators like bees and butterflies and birds. And the more integrated they are into fields, the better pollination and pest control these beneficials can provide. 3. Trees and shrubs are in patches and bands of habitat, like hedgerows, riparian buffers, and larger wooded areas. They provide a buffet of resources from nectar and pollen to nuts and seeds and caterpillars. And this last food item is so important for songbirds because they need to feed insects to their nestlings. This wooded habitat pulls carbon from the air and sinks it in its tissues and in the soil. From a landscape perspective, these trees and shrubs provide critical corridor for wildlife to move through the farm and beyond. 4. Small and large wildlife are present. We provide them with habitat, and they give us pollination, pest control, and other services. Large predators, for example, will give us pest control, but they also help to regulate smaller predators' impacts on nature's food web. As climate chaos increases, it will be more important than ever for farms to provide linkages for wildlife so that they can find this habitat that suits their needs. The next time you drive by a farm, really look at it. Is the soil covered? Are there flowers and shrubs and trees providing linkages for wildlife? These are integral parts of the ecosystem. These principles have to be part of the new norm in order for us and all living things to live healthy lives.